I bought myself another cat last week. Now I have two. A little kitten. To keep my old cat company. And she's 9 years old. Yeah, I'm a cat person. I like cats more than dogs. I think cats are cooler in some way. They don't follow orders. They do what they do what they want to do. And easier to handle, you know. All you have to do is to feed them. Give them food, empty the litter box, whoa, and that's about it. Dogs you have to take out at least 2 or 3 times a day. Yeah, so what's your take on it? Are you a cat person or a dog person, or maybe don't like pets at all? This old Husaberg is very, very aggressive. The gas tank looks like shit, all scraped, and I tried to paint it with spray paint for plastic, but it doesn't work. The gas, the fumes from the gas penetrates the gas tank, and paint blobs up, so it's useless. That's a shame.